are fixing something that broke on this last project. We're going to go ahead and try to get you a good demonstration of how to do that. It looks like this pin here pulls out. This collar here needs to be pulled forward. Important, make sure that you have both hands available and have a million wolf spiders in there. Today we are fixing something that broke on this last project. This is the drill bit that comes out of there to do the pocket holes for our face frames and whatnot. Anyway, the little tip on the end of that broke like right at the end of the project, so we need to get that replaced. And I didn't see where somebody has done that on YouTube, so we're going to go ahead and try to get you a good demonstration of how to do that. So follow along. This is the underside of this machine. Just a quick look at it. It looks like this pin here that connects the slide mechanism of the motor to the handle. Looks like that's a pin that just pulls out. So we're going to go ahead and pull it. And we're going to slide that back as far as that will go. Set this pin to the side. Let me see if I can get this thing down here where it's not going to be in the way. So try to stay out of the way of the light and the camera. This collar here needs to be pulled forward to get your old bit out. Okay, so you can see that that is basically just a flat tip drill bit now, versus it is supposed to be having this stepped part that drills the pilot hole for the threads. So we're going to put the new bit in. Let me readjust the camera here, and we will get that going for you. So put it back in. Important, make sure that you have both hands available, because to put it back in, if you put it in one-handed, it's not going to lock. You need to be able to pull that collar to get it to lock. And then you'll just slide your motor back up to the point where that hole in the motor mount and the hole in that control arm meet. You put the pin back in, and you're back in business. Hopefully that was a helpful tutorial. I did clean this out earlier, a few days ago, just because I didn't want to flip this thing up to do a video and have a million wolf spiders in there and scare the living daylights out of anybody watching the video. But in the process of cleaning it out, I realized that this hose had gotten clogged, because I don't know if it's just lazy. I mean, if I've got only one or two holes to drill, I'll just not even turn on the shop vac, which is apparently a bad habit, because that bend was plugged up and was very restricted airflow. Still a little bit airflow, but not much. So anyway, that is how that is done. We're back in business. So hopefully you learned something. And editing this down in the kitchen here at the house. You can hear the air conditioner and the coffee pot, probably. Anyway, forgot to put my ending in there of fun stuff.